My name is John Powell. I'm the quality manager for Doulton water filters. Our production process is split into two main chunks. One chunk is manufacturing of our ceramic filter element, and the other part is assembly of the product. And from a quality perspective, we're very interested in the quality of products that come in from our supplier. So we spend a lot of time working with our suppliers to ensure that the products that come through the door meet our specific requirements. And once the products arrive here, we do some internal testing to double check that the products that are supplied to us meet those specific requirements, but also that we're able to process them, because sometimes if things fall outside a specific requirement, they're safe to use, but we may not be able to process them in the normal way. So it's a combination of performance and processability. Once those materials arrive, we do various things to them within the process to move them on from a raw material to a finished product, and we have specific quality checks at each stage to ensure that the process is on track, essentially, so that we know when we get to the end we've got a product that works, and we know that because we've done all the checks along the way.